Hey everyone, this is Happy Hills Cars and Stuff, and today we're going over how to replace a fuel pump driver in a 2004 to 2008 F-150. For this repair, you're going to need a ratchet, a 5/16" socket or wrench for the old bolts, 12mm socket or wrench for the new bolts, penetrating oil, brake cleaner, towels, and your new fuel pump driver. Now first, you're going to want to pull out the spare tire kit from under your rear passenger seat. Then, you're going to assemble the tire lowering rod. Typically, you'll place the perpendicular end on this hook, but because it was a bit tight of a spot for me to do it, I put it in the middle. Next, take your car key and unlock the slot for lowering your spare tire. If you can't unlock it with the key, just go ahead and pry off the tab behind it and pop the lock out. Now insert the lowering rod through the hole onto the bolt and begin turning counterclockwise to lower the tire. When the tire is on the ground, find the fuel pump driver and spray the bolts with penetrating fluid. Next, remove the electrical connector by pressing on the tab and pulling up, then set it to the side. Now take your 5/16" tool and remove the bolts. If one of your bolts are as rusted in as mine was, then you should just break the driver in half like I did and use the part as leverage to remove the bolt the rest of the way. As you can see, my own unit was extremely deteriorated anyways. Once the old unit was removed, clean up the area before installing the new unit. Once the area is clean, take your new unit and insert the supplied bolts and spacers. Now, place the unit on the mounting point. Next, you're going to want to fully tighten both of the bolts. Once the bolts are tightened down, reinsert the electrical connector. Once everything's back in place, raise the spare tire back into position, and your job is complete. Thank you everybody for watching. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below. And if you want to check out one of my other videos, click the link in the top left. If you want to watch the exhaust before and after, top right. Have a good one.